How to use Spotify DJ AI feature. First of all, you need to have your premium account. To use the AI DJ feature, you need to have or subscribe to the premium account. To subscribe this, simply from the home screen, tap on the premium option right over here. Now scroll down to see the available plans. For individual, you can try for 1 month, and for student, and here are a lot of plans. Select that best suits you. Now after you complete your subscription or premium, simply go to the search bar and simply type for DJ. Now there will be a DJ result or card, and you can simply tap on DJ. The card will appear just like this. However, I'm not subscribed to the premium, so I'm just guiding you. Now press on play icon to play. You'll have much more feature in the DJ section, like changing language. Like here there are a lot of options, and you can also change the vibe, change the mood and genre or era, and you'll have full access to the DJ mode. But you need to subscribe to a premium. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find the video useful. Then like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.